Hi, I'm Juhi. I make videos on self-development through brain science and brain training. As they say, a healthy mind leads to a healthy body, it inspires a healthy soul, and it transpires into a healthy surrounding. Today I will be talking about a topic which is very sensitive yet very important. Stress. I have observed an ever increasing graph in terms of stress in the lives of people, especially the student community, and especially in this present scenario of COVID. I will be doing a 3-part series wherein I will be talking about the indicators of stress, what are the signs that tell you that the student or the child might be experiencing stress. The second part will be what are the causes for this stress. And the third part would be on how to overcome this stress. But before we start, please consider clicking on the subscribe button down below and subscribing to my channel so that you can get regular and frequent updates about the content and the videos that I make. During my interaction with students, I have observed that a lot of children under stress exhibit difficulty in sleeping or insomnia, unusual loss or gain of appetite, unusual loss of or gain of weight, frequent illness, frequent headaches, frequent stomach aches, and also in some cases bedwetting. This is more common in children who are very young at age. These are the physical signs of stress. During my interactions with the children, I have also observed them exhibiting some unusual kind of a behavior. Increased irritation, negative mindset about everything that they do, pessimistic outlook towards almost everything, impatience, irritability, anxiety, unexplained outbursts of anger or crying, and also social isolation. These are some indicators of an emotional stress that a child might be undergoing through. Stress also affects a child's mind deeply. Difficulty in remembering things, difficulty in retaining information, difficulty in understanding simple concepts, loss of interest in almost everything that a child does, low self-esteem, low self-confidence. These can be some of the traits of a child when they are experiencing some kind of a stress. If you have observed some or a lot of these signs in your child, then it is likely that your child might be undergoing stress. Stress not just affects a child's physical health, but it also affects his emotional behavior and their mental performance. So it is imperative that we talk to them, we try to find out what is the cause behind the stress, and we encourage them to overcome this stress. If you want to learn what causes this stress, how to overcome it, then please click on the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel for regular updates. I will be discussing about both these topics in my next videos. Thank you for listening to me. See you next week.